Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to apply for a Wells Fargo's home equity loan. Alright, it's going to be a really quick video. We're not going to waste any time. Let's just get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to sign into your account. Now you can do that on the mobile app, or you can sign in on the website using your computer. Once you sign into your account, you just want to click on loans, and then you want to select home equity loan. Now you're gonna need to review the home equity loan eligibility requirements to see if you're eligible for that, and if you are, just fill out the home equity loan application. And once that's done with all the correct information, just make sure you review it again to make sure that all that information is accurate. Make sure you have all the details down, and once that's all taken care of, you just want to submit that and wait for a home equity loan application to be processed. Now you can also review and understand the home equity loans terms and conditions, and you can contact Wells Fargo's customer support if you have further questions or concern about home equity loans. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to apply for a Wells Fargo's home equity loan. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.